How to transfer WhatsApp to one iPhone to another iPhone. First of all, you have to open your WhatsApp for both device. So this is my old and this is my new. I want to transfer this WhatsApp to my iPhone 11 WhatsApp. Now simply press on setting and press on link device, and at the same time press on agree and continue. And top right corner you can see the three dotted line. Press on link as comparative device. Now press on link device. Now press on link device. Press on OK. Now simply scan this code. You can also do it with a link with phone number, but I want to go with my scan. Keep business open both device, so it's the transferring data. So you have to wait couple of seconds. It's depend on your data size actually. Now I am set a name, second iPhone. Press on save. Now if you go to my message section, then you can see I'm using the same WhatsApp for my both device. So that's it. This is how you can easily transfer WhatsApp from one iPhone to another. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.